Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know whose bright idea was it today to schedule 3 different car shows, 3 different locations, and all of them are really good. So we're going to go hit up at least one of them today. So let's get this bad boy started and get ready to go. Love the cold start. So Top Speed has their car show today going on over in the city, and then Import Face Off also has their car show going on. Like to go see my buddy Chris over there drifting. And then Chicago Auto Club West is at the Autobahn today, doing their car show, new location. We used to do it at the Ohio every year, but different planning situations. So now they're at the Autobahn. It's always good to go to the Autobahn. You already know our videos. Alright, guess where I'm at? Autobahn Country Club. So we decided to go with the Chicago Auto Club West car show. So actually I'm going to be here in August. My wife surprised me for my birthday. My birthday was actually a couple of weeks ago, and she surprised me with the extreme experience where I actually get to take a Lamborghini Huracan out on this tracks. Yeah! And it's going to be North Track, so I'm very familiar with it from all the car rides going out on the track. But this time I'll be behind the wheel, and that is going to be an amazing time. That's not going to be until August, so you know your video is going to drop for that one. Look at that. SF90. The Heritage 4GT. I saw you. I saw you. Look at this. Mitsubishi Eclipse. I love the carbon fiber hood. Please let it be. No, it's automatic. I wish it was a manual, because you still got to bring back the manuals, guys. Save them. But this is sick. I do like the way it is. It's a nice build on it, but it's got to be a manual transmission. And I don't know, is it that? That is not the GSX, because GSX would come in a manual. Then you got Porsche 911 Turbo, the S 300ZX. Please be a manual. No, automatics. It's got a baby seat in the front with the target top, but you still need the manual transmission. Guys, let's bring back the manuals. You can't go wrong. You got to bring back the manuals. All right, now we got a Lamborghini Countach. It's not the triple white, but it's double white. And this is a legendary car. Look at that. Classic. Very tiny, very uncomfortable to drive from what everybody says. Got a sexy Urus, the Performante. Those wheels are nasty. With the yellow, with the carbon fiber hood. And then you got Lamborghini Huracan, carbon fiber hood. I'm not a big fan of the wrap, but it does look nice, nice and clean. It does look nice. BMW, you wouldn't see these two yet because we just left. But this thing is sick. Now, look at that super. Look at this one. Target top, really. Of course, it's a manual. Can't go wrong. Never go wrong with a manual. Save the manuals. Look at that. That's it. We got a beautiful Aventador. That is nasty. All white. Naturally aspirated B12. Yep, sick. Porsche Cayenne. Then you got AMG. Is that GT? Little Corvette. Audi TT RS. BMW M2. Ooh, Arnie's here. Yep. Record holder, 25 hours and 39 minutes for the Raw Taurus. Let me go find him. We get another 600 LT. This looks sexy. 370. Another Huracan. That is sexy. That is a Performante. Alright, I got a GTR over here. It's got an airbag. I don't know if they just got bad brakes, need extra stopping power, or this one's gonna go really, really fast. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, another Corvette C8. Everybody has one of those. That does look nice. And if you can read the plate, that is hilarious. F-bomb. Those are not stock tires. I don't know what to think about this 96, 296 Ferrari. They are nice. They are nice. Ferraris really don't grow on me as much because it's basically all the same thing all the time. So they don't really do much for me. Oh, we got another 812. This one looks like it's the competition. Or a GTS. This one, the only Ferraris that really catch me, this is actually a Super Speed actually, sorry. Correct me if I'm wrong. Super Speed. The only ones I really like in Ferrari is the FF. The F12, 812. These ones are just so sick. Got another Huracan. Supra. Blackwing. You're never going wrong with a Blackwing, I'll tell you that right now. Porsche, this is GT3. Audio 8. Still sexy cars. The 458. Jag. Ooh, the Lamborghini Serato. These are sick. Alright, so we'll get monetized, guys. The Serato is going to be our daily driver. Just look at it, it's all-wheel drive. Perfect for any of Chicago's weather. X5 M Series. Yeah. Nice. Grocery getter. Ooh, Motorcar Chicago brought a couple of cars out. They got the Porsche, the GT3RS with the Y-Side package. Then you got the Lamborghini Huracan, the 765. My Ferrari that fakes. This one here, this one's the rear one. Not mistaken. No, that was the Corvette we were looking at, but this one's sick. Me and Eric were over at Motorcars in Chicago last week, taking a look at some stuff. But this is sick. Type R. BMW. Alright, more cars are showing up. Alright. If you guys don't remember my last video, go watch it. We were over at GT Haas. The whole thing of the video was Fast and Furious. And I know I screwed it up. Hopefully you guys caught it.
Dumbasses.
But the Supra. My dumb self was referring it to the RX-7 from the first one. But it's referring to the freaking Supra that Brian drives, the orange one. I think he just threw me off with the red, but just make fun of me in the comments because I'm a moron. I always get everything messed up. Alright, couldn't remember, I told you me and Eric were over at Motorcars in Chicago a few weeks ago, and we were checking out this Ferrari. The F8. Now we knew it was special, it is one of one. It is a full Gintani race built with the Gintani exhaust. This thing is sick. I bet you this is loud as hell. I want to hear it in person and how loud it is. And if you know Gintani's work, Alex Gintani, His work is amazing. He is the exhaust god. This is nasty. The first car I see when I walk over here is exactly not what I was expecting. It's a Ferrari SP3. This thing is sick nasty. Chicago Motor Cars brought out more cars. They brought a 765 out already. Let's take a look. They brought the Fiona 765. This is nice. The LT. That's a nice color blue too with the big old chrome wheels. But they do have another car. Let's go see what they got. Nice and slow. Ooh, this is a matte black. Let's take a look. Ooh, that's a very close. I wonder if it's the composition or GTV. Look at the wheels. That's GTS. Still can never go wrong. Matte black with access.
Go slow.
Yeah, I don't want to rub that one.
No. Gotta make sure that one's going the right way.
Yeah. That thing is sick. Right, we got a 812 and SP3 that are just so sick. That's not like being at the Autobahn. You know we got to go walk over there, all the way over there, because you know this is Autobahn. A lot of people have memberships. There's gonna be a lot of amazing cars there. I already seen a lot of crazy cars out on the track. What was this? Z6 Corvette. There's a GT3 RS out there on the track. Of course, those are great track cars. A bunch of Miatas, Radicals. But let's go see who's on the track today. Look at this Corvette. That thing is sick. Oh, they're heading nose to nose. Pass them up already. Yeah.